naglejtaj. Ty chodź, naglejtaj.
Make sure you switch to smartphones, tablets, and e-readers. Taxi, takeoff and landing. Large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device.
We'll be taking off soon. Please review the safety card located near your seat. Stow your tray table, food and beverages, carry-on items, headrest, and footrest. Make sure your seat back is upright and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Please place your personal item under the seat in front of you. At United, we're connecting people, uniting the world and doing it safely. From all of us, thank you and enjoy your flight.
In the unlikely event oxygen is needed on today's flight, remove any face coverings before putting on your oxygen mask. If you are seated in an exit row, we encourage you to open up the window shade for taxi and takeoff. We're going to be dimming the cabin lights so you can rest. Please buckle your seatbelt over your blanket and clothing so we can see it when we come through the cabin. If you need anything, just press your call button. And if you are wanting a little bit of extra light, you can push the light button above your head. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once we're in the air. Flight attendants, please complete final safety checks and be seated.